Hi, thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure on Google. You can actually outrank your competition, and of course, you can get more clients. So, first things first, I have your website here on the screen, and the first suggestion is to take care of this thing over here. This is just a simple install that whoever is managing your domain should be able to do it. It can be a little bit annoying, can scare people away, but this is a very simple fix. So this should be done within a few minutes. Now, about the website, the other recommendation I have to give you is to add more relevant content. When I say content, I'm talking more about the text that your website has, because all that is readable here should be including keywords that you want to be found for example, based on your services. For example, business services in Delaware could be one, tax services in Delaware could be another one, income tax classes, same thing in Delaware could be another one, depending on the target that you want to go for. But why is content so important? Because when Google analyzes your website, they read through everything that is text over here. So when you add in content and you add in keywords, you're actually telling Google that you are a specific business targeting specific areas. So most of the people don't really understand why is this important, but this is the base for your website to have a solid presence. Now, I'm going to be showing you some numbers here. I use this tool called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from your website based on Google criteria. So, for example, you only being found for four keywords, and you have around 187 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website. This will give you power so you can be found on Google. Think about like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. Same concept applies here with backlinks, with the difference that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and thousands of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you're going to be found for based on the content that your website has, you're not going to see the results that you want. So that being said, let's see what kind of keywords are you being found for based on the content that you have and based on the power that the links are giving them. So if we click here, give it a second. So you only have three, of course, three keywords going to the United States, and you have two for Canada, which is kind of weird, and that's because of the links that you have. But you can see that you don't have anything here that can actually reach potential clients. Wawa Goldberg's menu, not really sure if you want to be found for that. Tax 1099, comp coupon, not really. So this is because of the content that you have. So something that I was digging a little bit. For example, if we go to Google and I type CPA Wilmington, Delaware, it's very fairly close to you because I believe you're in Newark, Delaware, if I'm not mistaken. There you go. So Wilmington will be what, 25 minutes probably. Anyway, so if we type this on Google, the first thing we notice is the map section, and this is based on your location. But if this would be Newark, Delaware, your profile should be appearing over here if it was optimized. Um, for example, you need to add relevant content, you need to optimize images, you need to respond to reviews because one of the things that Google loves to see is when the interaction between this over here, the reviews. So if you get a 5-star review, reply to the review. If you get 1-star review, same thing, reply to that review because that's going to help you a lot. Moving on, we have the organic results, and this is over here um, where it comes all the fun when it comes to being popular in Google. So on number one, we got this expertise.com, which is a directory. Then we have these guys on number two, MillerCPA.net. And let's see why these guys are ranking number two. What are the benefits that they're getting for being in that top position? We see that the website they don't really have that much of a content, so this can actually play in your favor because you double or triple whatever they have here in content. For example, let's say that they have 300 worth of content. You could add probably 800, including those keywords they're going to be found for, and that's going to help you to start competing with these guys. But you can see that they have more pages, services. Let's see what they have in services, but nothing really. Um, Here they have more content, but not really. I don't see any relevant keywords here. If we look on their numbers, they're being found for 79 keywords, and they have only 163 backlinks. You can see that even though they don't have that much, it's not giving them too much of a popularity here. Um, let's take a look and see the keywords that they're being found for. So, for example, the one that we were just looking, CPA Wilmington, Delaware. There's 40 searches a month, and because they're ranking number two, they're getting 5 visits every month straight to their website. If you ask me, those are 5 chances they get every single month to get new clients. This is a variation of the keyword CPA in Bloomington, Delaware. Another 40 searches a month because they're ranking number three. Again, another 4 visits to their website. So just between these two keywords, they're getting 9 visits a month for straight to their website. So you're not just limited to one or two keywords. You can target as many as you want, and we can actually do a full deep research and see which keywords actually can benefit your website into attracting more possible clients. Um, Other than that, I don't want to take too much of the time. To recap this really quick, you need to add relevant content. You need to add keywords. And same thing, if another suggestion, if you guys speak Spanish, have a translated page. That's also going to help you. And if you're going to be popular in the eyes of Google, you definitely need to have good quality links so you can actually be appearing in those Google searches. Once again, my name is Alex. I hope you find this information useful. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.